Hello, my name's Sue Grant from Berthon, and I'm here to introduce you to a video that we've just put together about the Wauquiez 47 Pilot Saloon, Shabby Tiger. It was taken on a very dull day in Wauquiez in Corfu in December, and my lovely colleague Magnus Karlberg from Berthon Scandinavia actually did the video, but I have voiced it. Do let us know if you'd like to know a bit more about this lovely and extraordinary yacht. Thank you. Here is the Wauquiez Pilot Saloon 47 Shabby Tiger. You're seeing her on a very dull day in December in Wauquiez Marina in Corfu, and we're just going to have a look at her on deck. As you can see, it's just stopped raining. Solar up there. She's got a Sparcraft furling rig. It's all electric furling. Her sails are by Incidences in Brest. They're always put away and laundered every year. Electric windlass with a chain counter. Rocknor anchor. Lovely clear deck. And she has a genuine pilot saloon, which is great for the Med. We'll just have a quick look at the teak decks, which are in great shape. She's from 2013, very highly spec'd, full air conditioning. She's also got an Onan 7 kVA generator. She was equipped for serious sailing. These owners bought her in 2016 and they have cherished her. Look how all of the lines are led back and they're under deck, which is very cool. And she's got this practical roll bar with the main sheet, which gets it out of the cockpit. Lovely cockpit cushions. All of her cockpit cushions and interior are by Jim Thompson. It's a number 9 collection. Electric flap-down transom. Twin wheels. Running on Raymarine. She's got an SL70 autopilot. And she's got a brace of these C120W plotters, one here and one down in the chart table. Marvellous place for sitting, easy to sail the boat, electric winches on the pedestals and also here for the lines. Very easy to sail short-handed. Lots of protection with bimini, spray hood and so on for the sunshine. And for a winter's day and shut down for the winter, she is looking absolutely great. See her cockpit table, lovely teak high gloss cockpit table. Shower for when you have come up from swimming. And now we'll have a look at her down below. Okay, so there are shallow steps down into the main saloon, which is executed in teak, and the floors are in wenge, which makes a fantastic combination. Lovely wraparound deck saloon windows, which all have protection on the outside, which you will have seen she's wearing. So this is a light and bright place. And do you see what I mean about the interior upholstery and all of the furnishings? They look fabulous. So here is the second plotter, VHF control panel. She's got AIS, lots of storage room. And you see that lovely ammonite lamp, that all comes with Shabby Tiger. The joinery is in fantastic condition. She's been very well cared for. we'll have a look at the forward accommodation to start with. So here is the guest heads compartment, separated shower with a seat, lovely basin, manual heads, all clean and bright, and look at these wenge lines on the doors, look really effective. Upper and lower berth cabin here. Reading lights, very light and airy. As I mentioned before, she's fully air conditioned throughout. Lots of storage. And then we go forward into the VIP cabin. Storage beneath the berth. Overhead hatch. Split mattress, which is always good, and lee cloths. Wardrobe. Now you get a view down through Shabby Tiger. And then we'll walk back. Beneath the saloon floors is the engine, which is a Yamaha 110, and the generator. There's also loads of storage beneath the floors. The table, when the cover comes off it, is glorious teak, and likewise for the chart table. The sofa also doubles as seating for the navigator. Very shallow steps which make her easy to manage. And here is a really good galley. Sharp microwave. She's got a Candy washer dryer, 3-burner cooker. Lots of storage. Lots of ventilation, twin sink. And we'll just have a look at the fridge there. There's a top load on the other side. And then into the owner's stateroom. Bear in mind, this yacht is 47 feet. Isn't that amazing? This is an excellent cabin with a sofa and a desk. Masses of storage. Light just floods in. Centerline double, so you can get in from either side. No compromises here at all. All the cabins have fans as well as airco. And then there's an ensuite head, of course. This head's got an electric WC. The same wonderful idea on the basin and separated shower compartment. It's just a great platform for spending lots of time aboard in the Mediterranean. Would also be great in northern climes with her protected deck saloon. And the thing that is so unusual about this boat is her condition, which, I mean, you could just never tell that she was from 2013. She really does look the business. Shabby Tiger, Wauquiez 47, very special.